Hey, welcome to Dow Stock Talk, where I talk about topics relating to investing and finance, but more specifically the stock market. In this video, I'll be going over Coinbase NFTs. They're now offering a marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs on Coinbase. This was exciting news. I just recently received this email about 4 hours ago. The fact that you can now, they have Coinbase itself have a marketplace where you can easily buy and sell NFTs. I thought that was pretty good. Pretty cool. If you don't know what NFTs are, they're called non-fungible tokens. And I also did a video on it. If you want to get a great understanding of it, you can just check the suggested videos. But in a nutshell, it allows you to own digital files, digital artworks, anything pertaining digital ownership. You would kind of own it in a form of a NFT. But before we get started, make sure you smash the like button because it helps the algorithm. It helps YouTube know that videos reach a broader audience. Now, if you guys do not know what Coinbase is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and even stake cryptocurrency. That's what it's primarily for. But like I said, I received something in the mail now that they're allowing individual investors to now buy NFTs. So now they create a marketplace themselves where you can buy and sell NFTs, buy NFTs from famous artists or pretty much anyone in general. Now, the thing I also want to mention about it is this Coinbase NFT is in the beta mode, which means they're doing a lot of particular testing. So I'm going to transition to my phone because a lot of times when you click these links, I tried the Google browser and Chrome Edge, I believe, or Microsoft Edge, and both of the web browser didn't come up correctly. So don't worry, in this video, I'm going to go over everything you would need to be able to buy and sell NFTs on Coinbase. I'll be going step by step. But in general, like I said in the email, if you hit get started, what'll happen is a lot of times it doesn't show up correctly. So that's why I'm going to have to switch to my phone. We gotta remember this is in the beta mode, and even if a lot of them, when I kind of click it, the page isn't fully set up because, like I said, it's in its, as you can see, beta form. So they're still doing a lot of testing and stuff like that. Now, also, I'm just gonna briefly go by. So at first, you just gotta make sure you have of course, you're gonna have to have a Coinbase account initially, and then once you have a Coinbase account, you're going to need to have a digital wallet. You're going to need to have some type of wallet, and most of the time they offer where you can just set up a Coinbase wallet, and then once you set up the Coinbase wallet, then that will allow you to go on the Coinbase NFT Marketplace, and then you can end up buying and selling NFTs. But I do want to let you know that for Coinbase, first you're going to have a regular Coinbase account. Then once you set up the Coinbase account, then you're going to have to get a Coinbase wallet. I'll go through step by step of how that process works. And then from there, you will be able to buy and sell NFTs on the Coinbase platform. Now, I'm going to have to switch over to the mobile app to go over the rest of the video so you can kind of see the process and see everything else. Hey guys, I'm actually on my mobile app. This is the email that I end up receiving. Welcome to Coinbase NFT. Now, I will want to let you guys know that you should already have a Coinbase account and you will end up needing to have a wallet. So if you don't have don't worry, I'm going to go through all of this. And if you don't actually have the email, you can just go to NFT Coinbase. You do need to set up a NFT Coinbase account. So if you didn't have a NFT Coinbase account, what you can end up doing is just, hit create an account. And then you would just go through the process of creating an account. But let me just go back to this one. Now this, you can hit like get started. So when you hit get started, the one that says get started, or visit nftcoinbase.com, it'll take you to the same place. So let's hit get started. Now, like I said, I already set up an account. So this is pretty much what you'll end up seeing. So if you see the three next to the search icon, there's like these three particular lines. You would end up clicking that. So this says discovery, shop, trending.
So these, if we hit discover, these are different, NFTs and different people you can follow that makes NFTs and things of that particular nature. And all of these you have to pay for them in Ethereum. So like I said, I'll go over, how do you get Ethereum in your wallet and things like that. But let's go back a little bit. Um, I'll just click that. So let's go back. Sometimes I notice with the interface and stuff, the loading time may be a little slower or something like that. You can also go to trending as well, different types of NFTs that's trending. I'm going to go hit the back button. All right, so then with oops, kind of going a little bit too fast there. So, all right, so get started. Now, I also want to mention that you guys will need a wallet first. So just wanted to let you guys know that. Now, before we go to that, let's scroll down and see. You guys will need, in order to have a Coinbase, get things from the Coinbase NFT Marketplace, you guys will need a wallet. So if you guys don't already have a wallet, you have to set up a Coinbase wallet. Now, I also want to let you guys know that you will need to download a Coinbase wallet app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. You can just do Coinbase wallet app. I have already downloaded the app, so you would download and open that. Then when you open that, you'll actually see your wallet information and everything inside your Coinbase wallet. You'll actually end up seeing that, and I'll actually go over it. See, and this is what the Coinbase wallet looks like. It shows the money that you have. Well, right now, have all the money in, for cryptocurrency Ethereum. So it's the NFT section and the actual cryptocurrency. Yeah, so like I said, just want to kind of let you guys know there. All right, so let's go back in the actual NFT section. Just like I said, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know. Yeah, if you needed to, I think I already have set up. You need to hit the set up a Coinbase wallet. You just end up going through that section. Now, so after we already, created the account, we already have a wallet. Now the thing is to buy the NFT. So like I said, the search next to the search icon is, the three arrows. Click that, then click shop. So like I said, this is the marketplace where they have it. Let's go to three icons. So they have, you can see things that are kind of like trending. Um, these are shops. So what I end up doing is, like I said, I'm going to just kind of show you the whole process. So listing, you can go to recent, oldest, lowest, highest. So for this example, I'm just going to go to lowest so you guys can end up seeing how everything works. And I'm just going to purchase this one. I will let you guys know if they had gas fees. So like this one, it'll show you the price. So this one's probably like $3. But the gas fee, you can think of a gas fee of the price that it end up costing to verify the transaction. So the more people that's on the network, it takes computer power to process that, and that's what they call gas fees. So you can think about the amount of energy it takes to maintain the network. But so what we're gonna do is hit buy now. Now, here's the thing, is you needed to create a wallet. This way you can end up hitting create new wallet from Coinbase, and then it'll set up your Coinbase account. You just hit create new wallet. And like I said, you just download, it already told you exactly what to do. You download the Coinbase Wallet app. Um, Once you end up downloading that, you set up the account and stuff. I already did. You hit open, and then it would kind of take you to that. So like I said, we already did that, but let's go back. Oops. Yeah. So actually, I'm gonna have to go back again, and we're just gonna go to lowest first, then we're gonna finish it. So all right, bye now. So bye. Now, if you already had a MetaMask wallet or this Wallet Connect, you can use one of those. So if you already have one of those, but I already have a Coinbase wallet, I already set up the account, so I'm on Coinbase wallet now. Oops. Sometimes, yeah, it's kind of, and you gotta remember, this is the beta mode, so sometimes things can act a little weird. So this is the process. Now, I wanna let you guys know, as far as you do have to have the money. Well, you do have to have it in Ethereum. So one of the things you can end up doing, you can just buy Ethereum on your Coinbase account and then just transfer it into the wallet, or you can just kind of send money to the wallet. But I'm going to go through the process. Number 508. I'm just going to hit continue. Then I'm going to hit open wallet. Now it says network fees are high right now. So the network fees, it's pretty much, to verify the transaction, the computer the computer um, processing messed up. It's pretty much it takes power to verify transactions, and that's what the network fee would be for. So as you can see, it's worth $2. They're selling the NFT for $2.92, and the network fee is where all the expenses, and that's the biggest problem. It's $23 to $33, so the total will be between 26 and 33. I'm just gonna hit pay, verify with my fingerprint. All right, and just like that, confirming your purchase. Your purchase of number 5908 is processing on the blockchain. It may take a few minutes to appear on your profile. Right. So now it says you purchased and has confirmed on the blockchain. See it in your profile. So your profile is up there. So this icon right here at the top, right next to the three icons, click that, and then you would click profile. Now I already bought one before, so you guys, this is the one I bought earlier. This is the NFT, and the other one should be coming soon. Remember, they said it may take some minutes or something like that, because at first I kind of got nervous, and I was just like, oh, where is it? I've paid for it, I don't see it. So like it said, give it some time for it to show up. And also, while we're waiting, it's a couple of minutes. While we're waiting, I can end up showing you like this NFT I bought yesterday. It's like a test run. You can, if I wanted to sell it, I can list it for sale. The price that I wanted to do, I'm just for this case, I'm going to sell it for 1 Ethereum. No one's probably going to be willing to pay for that, but I'll just confirm it. Since this is your first time listing an NFT, you must approve the asset for your transfer. Now, it also looks like, as far as the gas fees, that, and even to put it on there, that I'm going to have to pay $8.75 to $11.56. So for this video purpose, I'll actually confirm it. This is kind of like, I guess to me like a waste, but for video purposes, I'll go through the process. And actually, this is the first time that I'm actually doing this. The loading time, like I said before, can be a little slow. And I'm just going to open my wallet, do some type of signature. This is, like I said, kind of new to me, rather. So yeah, I listed that I'm selling it for 1 Ethereum, whatever. Now, this is the thing. Now, let's go to profile, by the way. And, well, the icon at the top next to the 3 lines. Let me go to profile. It should actually appear now. I'm waiting for the other one to appear. But let's check out go to the wallet. And you can also, where the wallet thing is, the app, it's the wallet app. And then, whoops. Oh, it looks like it's actually official now. So we're gonna go at the icon at the top, right next to the 3 icons, the 3 lines. We're gonna click that. It's like a little circle profile. Then go to profile, and then there it is. So like I said, sometimes guys, it takes a little bit of time. Instead, it takes a few minutes. So this is the one that I have, this NFT and this NFT, and I also listed, as you can see, listed the NFT for 1 Ethereum. I just kind of just listed there. So to give you guys, an idea, that was the whole process. And also I'm going to go over how would you transfer the money from your Coinbase account to your wallet. So this, like I said, this section right here, that's your wallet at the bottom. It'll all the way at the bottom to the left hand side. You'll see like a little wallet. Click that. Now this is, like I said, this is what's inside of your actual wallet. Now if I click the NFT next to coin, to your right it says NFT. Click NFT. Now this, like I said, it shows like the picture will eventually come up, but it does take a little time. So these are the NFTs I have in my particular wallet. Now I'm going to go back to coins. Now if you needed to, as in this section to the right, if it's kind of new, it'll say like get fund for NFT, and then you can click that, and then you can set up attach your card or some type of um, bank account where you can transfer money to your wallet. Or what you could have done is, this is the way I normally end up doing it. And Coinbase, for all the NFTs, you will probably need to buy Ethereum. So what you can just end up doing is just buy Ethereum on Coinbase, and then have it where you can buy or transfer from Coinbase to your wallet. So I'm just kind of just going to briefly go over the process. So buy or transfer. So you can transfer from somewhere else or buy transfer from Coinbase. So all of these, I'm just going to kind of let you know, this is all the stuff, the cryptocurrency I had in my Coinbase account. Now for Ethereum, right now I have 88 cents in my Coinbase, um, wallet or something like that. So if you have, once you buy, some Ethereum in there, it'll have that Ethereum amount, and then you can just end up transferring, that amount to your wallet. I'm not going to actually go through process it. And you got to remember, you can always tell when it's going to your wallet because they end up charging a gas fee. And at the bottom, it'll say buying from Coinbase and transferring to your wallet. So they're going to actually transfer the wallet. And then once you hit buy, it would end up transferring that money to your wallet. I just wanted to kind of fully go over the process so you guys would know how to do that. And go back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, they have it where you can like send, receive, or trade from your particular wallet. And that pretty much concludes this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.